Today I'm going to show you how to instantly redeem Binance gift cards to your account. First, you'll need a verified Binance account. Second, you must have Binance gift card vouchers. I have a few here, so let's get started. As you can see, I've easily redeemed a $500 gift card into my account. You might be wondering how I got it. Perhaps you think someone gave it to me. The answer is no, I purchased these myself. If you'd like to get some too, you can contact me on Telegram. My ID is in the description. I've successfully redeemed 3 Binance gift cards without any issues, and my Binance balance is now better than ever. Want to know exactly how I did it? Leave a comment below, and I'll share the details with you.